Well, hello folks. Nova and I are just leaving Heartley Bay Marina and into the French River for 2 nights, 3 days. Should be freaking awesome. Weather forecast is perfect. Cool nights and hot days. It's going to be awesome. Oh, I've been looking forward to this all week. Family's gone down south school shopping. So this is usually my weekend to go for a nice camp trip, weather permitting and life permitting. I don't think I went last year because we were busy in the yard working on a new fence last year. So we just got here. I don't even know what time it is. Like 9:30 or 10 in the morning. It's hot already. Nova's super pumped. So we got about 13 kilometers to go before the site that I picked. So we're gonna bomb it down there. Oh, actually, I'll probably take my time. Take my time today. It's a beautiful day. I might stop halfway down. It's hot. Maybe have a swim and have lunch. So stick around. It's going to be a good video. Oh, so nice. Oh yeah. Don't eat the grass. So we headed out of Heartley Bay. Had a pretty strong headwind in that bay. I thought was strong-ish, because it wasn't supposed to be that windy today. We're heading south now, down one of the arms of the French River Park, and it's even stronger winds. I think it's just funneling through these little river channels. It's a little bit of a struggle. Good though, it's a beauty day. Beauty day to be on the water. It's busy in here though, lots of power boats. Hopefully the audio works on this. It's pretty windy. My microphone tends to kind of do weird things when it's windy, so we'll see. Oh, just had my tripod mount break off, so I'm gonna have to see if I can do some repairs once we get to where we're going. We're 2 hours in, 3 hours in. Slow going. We got a really strong headwind. I had to stop. Nova, leave it. Hey, that's mine. Get going. Eat your own. Nova's trying to steal my food. So just stopped having a little bit of Gouda cheese, summer sausage. I'm not eating that stuff. That's Nova's. And doing it on a wrap. So that's it. I figured it would take us 3 hours to get all the way. We're still a long ways to go. So we're probably, what are we, 6K in to 13K. So we'll see. I'm hoping we get somewhere where we can kind of get out of the wind as we go, but it's straight from the south, the wind, so it's tough going, but we got all day, so no rush. So we'll get there. Come on. handheld. Since the tripod broke, I didn't really have a chance to look at it tonight. And the lack of video was really a mad dash to get back down to the halfway point, because there was people asking me right, left, and center if there was any campsites back the way I came. So I booked it down. I passed up one site that was open just because it didn't really have any good hammock trees. It would have been great if I had a tent because it was on the sand, but the hammock. So then wherever all the other places I went, there was no open sites, so I gave up around 6 o'clock, I guess, and maybe later. Hang on, there's a boat going by. Fisherman. So I gave up about 6:30. Just decided to look for 2 trees in a sort of flat area, which is kind of here. It's not a registered site. I just don't have anything else I can do tonight. I'll go look for more tomorrow. I'll see, tomorrow's Sunday, so maybe some people will be leaving. So yeah, so I just made the best of it. I was a rush to get here, a rush to get set up. The sun's going down, rush to eat, rush to hang the bear bag. Not the ideal end to my day. So now I think Nova's in her tent. She's pooped out from running. So I'll just give you a little tour here. That was us. That's our setup there. I was able to move a few of the sticks under the underbrush out of the way, and try to make it somewhat even in there. I couldn't get Nova's tent in there. This is too rocky. So I kind of moved her out into a slightly flatter spot. I don't know, she might not have a good sleep tonight, but she's got some extra padding. I brought her blanket because it's supposed to be cold, and so yeah, so we're just in twilight right now, and I didn't know how much more filming I would get done today just because it's going to be dark soon. Did the dishes and got all that stuff squared away, and now I think I'm going to lay down because I'm pooped. That was a lot of paddling today, way more than I wanted to do. I think it was 13K to get down there. I went even farther than I had measured, looking for campsites. They were all full, except for one right by the portage, which I didn't want to take. So it's Nova and everything, people walking by all day long. Yeah, and then all the way back here, that's probably another, I don't know, 5 or 6K there. And then around here, there's 2 campsites down that way that hopefully I'll be able to get one of them tomorrow. This will be a little more ideal. So yeah, so this is me. I was hoping to sit up and watch the meteor shower tonight, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna be awake. I'm so tired. I'm gonna take an Advil and go lay down for a little while. Well, yeah, I might wake up, see if I can see some shooting stars. That's the sandhill cranes. It's nice to wake up to. I didn't get it last night, but there was a whippoorwill birds calling all night there. Just on my way to go get the bear bag. Get some breakfast and some coffee going. So about 7:30, 4 to 8. It's really hot already. It's gonna be a nice day, hopefully. I have to do some swimming. Super peaceful, super quiet right now. I don't even think I heard any boats yet this morning. Like talking quietly so I'm not breaking the silence. Thing I think with this thing is you got to pour it real slow, otherwise it spills. There, that's working better. No spillage. Perfect. See how good she is this time. Very hot. That's good. That's good. Starting breakfast. I'm going to do bacon and eggs this morning, I think. Gotta use up all the meat today before it goes bad, if it hasn't already. Bacon will be fine. It's the steak I'm worried about. Oh, so a good night's sleep. Woke up lots. I don't know why. Just I had a good sleep the first bit of the night. First 4 hours was really good. Didn't even move, I don't think. And then I woke up about 3 o'clock, and it was pretty cool. There was a full moon, so everything's all lit up. It was nice. Nice and cold last night. I know people don't like to hear that in the summertime. It was cold. I liked it. So this morning I'm doing bacon and eggs on English muffins. So it should be pretty good. Just feeling like being lazy, but I gotta cook. So I gotta get this going, get the day going. Not too shabby for a not a campsite. It's not the most even place, but it's great. night up. I've been watching, there's 2 sandhill cranes down at the end of this bay over here. They've been hopping up and down and walking through the grass. GoPro probably won't get it, but I'll try. They moved into the taller grass since I picked up the camera, so I might not even see them. They were down in the water, closer to the water. Maybe he saw them move and he moved in. Anybody who doesn't know them, they're a really, really tall bird. Pictured like a flamingo, but they're all brown. Different colors of brown, and they have this really loud, beautiful call. Probably midday time. Will and I are just leaving camp. I'm going to go look for an actual campsite now. Hopefully some people left. Sunday, maybe people are heading for home. First we're going to try and get some video of these sandhill cranes here. Cleaned up our campsite. Make sure there was nothing left behind. No trace. Muscles are feeling it today. Worked it out. I think I did 18 kilometers yesterday. I only planned to do 13 or 14. So it was a little bit extra work there yesterday. Good. There's a turtle up on shore there. Alright, depending on which map you're using, I think this one is the Killarney map, or the French River map. This is site number 666, and I had a good sign already. I rolled up onto the beach and there was a nice piece of birch bark for a fire tonight. It was a pretty cool campsite. It's got lots of trees I can hang hammocks from, so got my choice pretty much. So I'll show you up there in a sec, check out the view. Aside from the house across the way, doing their laundry. Frogs going fighting here. I don't know how good the audio is on this, just because I had to take my mic off the mic stand because the mic stand is the piece that broke yesterday. So it's a pretty cool site. Got a nice fire pit here with some bushcraft tables. That's pretty awesome. Set up all your cooking stuff here. A little bit of wood left over. Fire starter anyway. Put my piece of birch bark with that. Nice fire pit. Gonna be a nice view tonight. Ooh, someone even made a sign. The site. It's the pinnacle, I guess, to them. It's the best one ever. Alright, let's get hooked up and set up here. They got this nice kind of, they got good notices in here aside from the screws into the trees. Take your garbage out. Kill nothing but time, take nothing but photographs, leave nothing but your footsteps, and make sure your campfire is dead out. Good advice. Leave no trace. Would be a good thing to add to the end of that. No. Here. Alright. Get set up. There we go. Easy as that. That's how easy camping is. Doesn't take any time. Nothing at all to set up everything. Twice. I'm kidding, I love it. I also brought a little cheapy hammock from Costco there. A couple weeks back they had it on sale for 20 bucks, so I bought it. So I got Nova in a little slightly flatter spot tonight. It was hard to find a spot without rocks, but she's on a little bit of a slope, but I'm sure she'll handle that. She got her blanket and her what do we call it, sit pad to go on. So yeah, so I think that's it. We're pretty much set up. I think I'm gonna have some lunch now. I'm starting to get hungry. Got a little tripod stool for the fire tonight. I'm gonna get lunch, swim, and then maybe go for some wood. I'm gonna have to get some wood. Oh, there's a dead tree right there. Well, we'll see. I gotta find some wood anyway. Sucker got me. So today for lunch I was having one of these suckers. Thai red curry noodles. Nice to just add water. I was able to get it here without puncturing it. So that was good. I was happy with that. I boiled all this water and we'll see how much is left. I'm going to make a coffee too, I think. And that's got to sit for 5 minutes. Easy stuff. Stir. Don't forget to stir. Nice one, Nova. That's supposed to run through the cords. Apparently she got him cornered. Good, smells pretty good. Just gonna get the coffee press going. Yeah, I remember this one, spicy. Campsites always cut all the green trees for some stupid reason. You go back in the bush a little ways, it's a beautiful walk back there, but old growth white pines are just amazing back there. You find dead standing, perfect size for a fire. Nothing where you have to saw for 6 million hours. Nice. Neat little stuff. Well, they use it to cook, I guess. I'm not trying to stay warm, but still. Never understand why people cut all the green trees at campsites. It's so silly. Keep thinking I'm hearing voices. There's some frogs down in the little pond there. Go, I'm like, yeah, who did that? There's another little treasure I found here. Namaste. Busy little hornet's nest there. Stay away from that one. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna go find some more wood. Working up a sweat. Maybe I'll go for another swim.